Tired of complicated international money transfers? Let's dive into creating your Taptap account, a simple way to send money across borders. First things first, grab your phone and open the Taptap app. If you don't have it, download it from your app store. Tap the Get Started button you should see now. Click the Sign Up button, usually located below the Login section. You'll be asked to enter your phone number, starting with your country code. Double-check it's correct. Next, you'll probably have a verification code field. Wait for the SMS message and type the code into this space. After that, it will guide you to create a strong password, one with a mix of numbers, letters and symbols. Now, it's time to build your profile. Fill in your full name, as it appears on your ID, then add your email address. Be sure to enter your date of birth accurately. This helps with security. Sometimes there will be extra profile setups such as address and occupation. Fill it in to help you send your money successfully. Congratulations, you've created your Taptap account. From the main screen, you can see options like send money and add recipient. Tap on a recipient to start adding your first person to pay. Enter their details, like their name and banking information. Now, you're ready to start sending money internationally, seamlessly and with confidence. Simplifying your international money transfers has never been easier.